Okay. So, um, so this for week February. Today is February 9, 2026. This is for week of February 9 and for the recap of the week before. So okay. Q. Uh, we're down all the moving hours like the 10, the 20, and the 50. We have a pullback. Then we have uh, a bit of a bounce Friday, and then today we were gapping down, but just a little bit, and we went up for now. It looks like you wanna. I mean, if you're gonna need to check this week how you're gonna react in this moving average, cause you can't really like bounce to the moving average and then like just go down. Okay. Um. Yeah, I'm gonna be check. QQQ spy. I mean, spy is in all time. It's going to like all time. It went down all the moving average and then it reclaimed and it's like close to all time high. It looks like everything is like going. It's like rotating. Like everything's getting out of the queues and going to like things like Walmart and or smoke too, cause the IWM had a pull to the 50 and then it bounced, so it looks like everything is like rotating to from the queues to other areas. It's like it's hard because there is not that many setup for this week. I didn't have that many stuff that I like. Most of the things that I'm taking, I was last week I day trade a lot. um I need to like stop taking day trades. um it's one of the things that I'm gonna try to start doing this week. Less day trades. No scalp. I scalp a lot last week too. So I like gonna try to do like at least less than 5 days, five trades per day, at least three, but less than five. I'm gonna try to hold a little bit for like 20, 30 minutes, but I'm not holding overnight yet. Uh, that much yet. Maybe I start holding with small positions. Um, yeah, the RSP is like in all time highs too. Um, that's why we have like they really pull by in Bitcoin and they bounce so hard. But again, it's like all the way down, all the moving average. If it can go and then like um bounce onto the moving average and then it goes down, it's gonna be like a good short for like all these Bitcoin company, especially MSTR. This was one of today's watch for like a short. I wanted like a bounce and then short, but I take a trade and I cut it like for a small loss. Cause it looks like it's holding for now. Um, Wolf. This one was like really good today. It got up and then it just went straight up for this. I was waiting for this break, but I feel like a gap up plus this is too extended already. Like up like 15% in the breakout, so I'm not taking. I'm gonna wait for like a pullback. If it can pull back for consolidate tight there for like 1 or 2 days, then really gonna take that one. GG. This one was another of my main watch today. Super slow. Um, but it have a really nice flag, and it looks like I think it's like moving to this like more established companies, slow companies, like for example like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, like what I said earlier, Walmart. Looks like all these companies. I don't know why. Like really established companies are like going up. Um, so and they're super slow. So I was did you have a good flag? I was gonna take like a I actually traded. I traded first time I took a loss and then I bought it for the bounce and I sold it because I don't want to like swing that much, but this is probably gonna be a good swing since it's slow for like maybe like 2 or 3 days to like all time highs. Gonna keep watching to see stuff like this keep working. Another one that was a good setup for today, that I'm looking for setup is like an an MPH. I'm gonna be looking at this one in this area, like on here. Um, this one, uh, that was a good setup too, but like here I miss it. Like in the gap up and then the pullback to the 10. This was the good setup. Coin is super standard to the downside. At some point, it's like gonna bounce to the moving average. Maybe I take like a small position coin, but I'm gonna use the ETF to the leverage ETF. Um, so yeah, probably like a bounce to this 10, maybe the 20. Um, that's it, kind of like setting up for tomorrow. I mean, this one is setting up. Two metals are like undercutting the moving average and then like trying to go back again. So this one is gonna be main watch for tomorrow. If we can have a tight day, it's gonna look so good for tomorrow. And today we have a user. Yeah, I user today. I had a tight day yesterday, and today I trade this one too. I sold it around the 10 because it started pulling back, and I saw that trade was gonna pull back and put like another tight day, but it looks like it's going. So this one is another one that I probably had how to swing, but I already caught it. So if this start working, I might start like swinging like setups like this because they look like they wanna go. Since everything's not really going down that much. Everything looks like it's rotating from the Qs to other places. Nvidia today like two like big bounce this last 2 days too. Um, PayPal, I'm looking some for like stock that are like uh super extended to the downside for like a bounce. Um, this PayPal I should have take here, but I didn't took it. Like at break of like 460 on here. I was gonna use the 42 calls. They were so cheap for next week. They're like 60 cents. So I mean, if this can bounce to like here 43 or 44 before next week, those calls are gonna go like 300, 200, 300% super easy. So it's a trade that I miss. Also, next is looking good too. Like after the earnings gap up, it's like consolidating here. I mean, this was the maybe this one or this one was the days to buy. But if we can put like tie day today, maybe tie day tomorrow, and then break this 125, I'm probably gonna swing this one to like gonna sell like half here and then keep the rest. What else look good? You again like overextended stock to the downside, bouncing back to the moving average. This was a good one too. I miss. I'm not really that good like buying this setup of like overextended. Um, CBNA was looking for like a short. CBNA and AMD was looking for like a bounce and maybe play the inverse ETF like around here. Um, because if he cannot like go over the MAs, I'm probably gonna play it to the downside with the inverse. And then the other one, GME, it's getting like tight here. So this one, GME, UAME, and then next, and so what's the other one? Next on ENPH. Those are the ones that I'm gonna be watching tomorrow, and SMCI too. If SMCI can put like a tie day today and maybe a tie day tomorrow, it can break. This one looks good. For the break of 34 tomorrow. I was thinking to play in options, but at least like the 35 for next week or 36. Um, I might do that with options tomorrow. But if I play option, I'm probably gonna use another account. I'm gonna use this one, like a smaller account. So but I play with both. Maybe play in this account with stock, and then in the other one with super cheap options for next week. Um, else I think that's mostly it for the day. It's getting long. So yeah, it's the analysis. The account is basically flat again. I got I got a lot of loser last week in the day trade, so that's why I need to stop day trading and like wait for more swings. Probably not maybe day trading, but probably scalping. I need to stop scalping to start scalping when I'm bored. So I need to play like setups like this and leave it work for at least like 20 to 30 minutes. That's gonna be the new thing that I'm going to do. And then I see my trade sale here. I got the 19 last week, like 8 trade 7, 13 trades, like a lot of trades. So I need to down the trades to like 5 or less, hopefully 3, and let them work. So that's the goal now. That's what I'm gonna start doing until we start getting like more breakout setups and they start working. But for now, it's just like 20 to 30 minutes hold, and then maybe 1 or 2 days, and that's it. Sell like everything. If I'm gonna take a swing, sell everything in couple days, and then until everything start working again better, and that's it.